Good morning, YouTubers. Here's our second design of this week, number 8 for 2018. This one's just a little simple one. I'm going to use it as a coaster, both for glasses and pitchers and 2 liters. It's actually got our logo on the bottom. Well, not our logo, our name, Askewed View 3D on the bottom of it. But on the top is the Thundercats logo. And that's going to be really cool. And this is on the mk3 Maker Select V2. We just got up and running again. Looks like I still got some tweaking to do. Let's take you out here. I got a larger one on the Tornado. That's weird how this thing prints sometimes. I mean, it just skips all over like that. You think it would just go, you know, and run it straight, but for some reason it skips around. I don't know. I don't care. It's the end product that I care about. So we shall see. And then let's take you over here to the prusa. And we got same size one that we got on the V2 out there. I got on the mk3. Of course, this one's looking best of all. This one started before Model 2, so it's the first one I got going. So, alright, we'll see how it looks at lunch when I get home. Alright, it's a quick update before I take off for the office. It's looking pretty good. See how I'm getting out of here. Tornado's looking pretty good. You know what? Let's shine some light on it. Let's check mk3. You see that first failure right there. So I had to put some glue stick down. I do it a lot. Anytime it takes up, you know, about that size of surface. So that's fine. Better safe than sorry. It goes down and comes up real easy. Well, the mk3 Maker Select V2 is now out of the equation. So we still got, oh, it's looking good. The Tornado has the larger one going. It's gonna be sweet. It's hard to see this angle. There you go. That's too cool. And then mk3. Oh yeah, I'm going to run them in the XYZs tonight, I think. That's looking pretty sweet. Then I'm going to do some smaller ones for glasses. Alright. I'm home. Look at that. That looks pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. You know what? I'm probably gonna need my other hand to get this because I glued it, so I'm not gonna pop that up yet. Let's check this out. Oh, this one's already popped up. Why?
I put it there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, just
Look at that. Looks pretty cool. What those couple lines are for, but. Huh.
That's
Is that pretty
from
good?
Right there. You see on the print and stuff. You see the lines?
These?
Yeah. Oh. No.
It's okay.
About the lines on the back.
No, on that. No, that's from this because I put glue down. I had to put glue down.
I don't know why there's lines there.
Yeah, that's pretty thick. I'm definitely gonna make this smaller too. Still, it's pretty cool. Wait till I paint it up. Oh, Tornado come out really good. Oh yeah, once I get this all painted up, it's gonna be so cool. Yeah, you see, Tornado didn't handle that lettering as well as the mk3. Not that I'm surprised.
It's gonna look sweet once it's all finished up. And I'll do some smaller ones that'd be perfect for coaster size. And actually, we gotta tweak this model a little too. We got that kind of flush. This needs to raise up higher for it to be a coaster, at least in my opinion. Just so that you ever have a coaster where your glass just slides right off it. That's no fun. Alright, it's getting there. Alright. Got them down at coaster size. Turning them now. Booger there. Booger there. Let's see what prusa's doing. Right on the edge. Not bad. It's really good though. Alright, well, I had a failure on the tornado. One of the back ones failed, and unfortunately it shoots the whole print to hell. Slight little bump there. Hopefully it'll be alright. Hate to lose this one too. Coaster's looking pretty good. Alright. Slowly but surely. Don't call me Shirley. Sweet. Pretty good. 75% done. %. Not much filament left. Always like to push it to the end. Right. That. Nice. Nice. There you go. That's what I wanted for the coaster. See? I set the glass right in there, and it won't move around. Nice. Paint them up, finish the video, get it posted tonight. So a quick, simple one. Our third one for this week is going to be Darius's axe from League of Legends. That's going to be pretty badass. Alright, we're getting there. I don't know whether or not these coasters will be finished by the end of this video, because I'm thinking about XTC in them. And some more sanding and painting, and of course there's a gold one we're still working on. Some issues. I'm gonna have to sand that down, repaint that too. So it's almost there. And I got the big ones over there. Again, you know, it's getting hard to try to finish these and get the videos and design them and everything 3 a week. So like I said before, some of these videos may be unfinished work. I'm trying to get at least one piece finished, but it's doubtful if I'll get all the ones printed out finished in each video. So we're doing the best we can, and we're glad you're enjoying them, and we hope you're enjoying our designs. And we do put them up on Thingiverse in my mini factory. So we look forward to your comments and any suggestions, because we still got, you know, almost 150 of these to go. So we're open for ideas. Alright, I can't help it. I gotta get this done. Gotta get it on the video. So they're XTC'd. And I'll have them finished up and at least first coat of paint before the videos end.
Intend to give them version numbers and revision numbers instead of any
Yeah, it
other,
looks much better.
any other way.
Put a light XTC coat on it, repaint it. I got the poster size ones XTC'd and sanded, getting ready to paint those. Alright, these are all XTC'd, sanded up, ready to go. Now I didn't XTC the bottom, I just didn't see the need, you know. It's the top that's going to matter where you set the glass. Alright, there's the finished up versions for these. They come out pretty good. The logo's a little big on that. I'm going to show them adjust it. These were the final version. These are coasters here. I've XTC'd them. Oh, they're good, sealed. Left the bottom bare. I'll probably just paint that black. I don't know. I usually just leave it bare, but we primed it, so I'll paint that over black and clear coat it, but I did not XTC the bottom, only the top and sides, because I didn't feel that the bottom needed it. These are really cool. I like them. We're going to use them. The logo's a lot better size on that. That's too cool. And of course I got one that's medium size between the two. That is painted gold over here with all our other gold designs we've done this year. So that's our second one of this week. It's at the 8th one of 2018. And the 9th one is in the process of printing now. Got to get that finished and posted today too. So thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying these videos and our designs. And I hope you're off to a wonderful start to 2018. Have a wonderful day. God bless.